You just caught us starting the day over here. It's been a fun one too. We were out here just moving some stuff because we're moving the shop. I think today's our last moving day, and people are coming up and saying hi and want to check out the cars, and it just reminds us of just how special it is to be around these cars every day. We take it for granted, but other people see it as just amazing. So let's see what we can get done today.
Finishing up this cam phaser job on this 12C, we ran into a couple of issues with the coolant hoses. On these lower radiator hoses, somehow we've built up enough pressure to expand the hoses. These hoses are basically on the verge of tearing open, and we can't have that. This is a normal radiator hose. Good, sturdy, not flimsy. This is what we pulled out of this car. Very flexible and expanded. It even grew in length. And this can be a problem because if it's too long, the way this is routed, it could kink up and then it won't get good flow. Taking this MP4 12C on a little test drive. Just got done doing the cam phasers. I would say this car is feeling pretty good. We just need to take it on a long, extensive, powerful drive, and we'll find out if we have any leaks or anything like that. But other than that, it should be good. Pretty good, pretty good. It's got some pull. Feels a lot better now that we did the cam phasers. So this exhaust sounds really good until it gets into that higher RPM range, and then it's got a little bit of a rasp to it, but it's aftermarket downpipes on factory exhaust system. I think if you were to replace the exhaust, I think it would be nice and clean, but it still sounds good. Those new filters, man, really make the turbo noises sound so good. You can hear the spools, you can hear the turbos and coming out the exhaust. It sounds amazing. It's really hard not to have a smile on your face driving one of these things. They feel so fucking good. I heard people are dying to get in there.
See him fly.
Tech tip for everybody: the tire pressures on these McLarens need to be 29 in the front, 31 in the rear. 32 is fine, 30 in the front is fine. This one came in with 66 psi in the front and 60 in the rear. That is a no-no. if I do the same thing Kevin did last time. I'm on. First try. Kevin took like 10 tries. Man, what a week so far. Been moving into the new shop. It's been stressful, but been great. More lifts, the ability to work on more cars is going to be super exciting. Right now we're going to 1885 to get us a little grub with the car group. I'm just so excited to celebrate the new shop. 550 horsepower, all wheel.
Against
will
1,000
always
horsepower.
beat 900 off the line rear wheel. You heard it here first.
Hey, Kevin's got that Asian persuasion. Let me tell you. You see that haircut he got? It's beautiful.
Yes.
That's what I was trying to say.
That was jacked up, man.
No. I was trying to say earlier.
Hey, you get a haircut? Just got one, asshole.
Tequila
and massage.
Tequila. Do you like tequila?
I hate tequila.
I like it.
What do you like to drink, Kevin?
Water.
Yeah,
Water?
Agua. It's the source of energy of life.
Okay.
Kevin likes tequila with a nice Mexican massage. Ain't that right, Kevin?
I would take an American massage too, or maybe a Vietnamese. Who are you?
Hey.
Can you give me a Vietnamese massage?
Maybe.
Hey.
Nobody likes a limp floppy hose. You want a nice hard hose. Where I thought I was gonna fucking throw up. It was so bad. I might have cried a little bit. You're not recording, right?
Of course I am.
What?